Become a referral partner with the Mike Young team, who created the longest running 203K software for consultants since 1994. You only pay us when we send you a project. Networking with trusted industry professionals. Joining our program means becoming part of a network of trusted industry professionals. This network offers numerous opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing, allowing you to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices in renovation consulting. By connecting with other professionals in the field, you can enhance your own expertise and discover new ways to serve your clients better. Our program fosters a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to achieving success and growth in the renovation industry. Resources for client success and growth. We believe in empowering our partners with the resources and training necessary to assist their clients throughout the renovation process effectively. Our program provides access to a wealth of materials, including training sessions, informational guides, and expert advice. These resources are designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to support your clients at every stage of their renovation journey. By leveraging our resources, you can enhance your service offerings and ensure your clients achieve their renovation goals efficiently and successfully. At the Mike Young team, we are committed to building strong, mutually beneficial partnerships with professionals who share our dedication to excellence in renovation consulting. Join our referral partner program today and take the first step towards expanding your business, enriching your professional network, and providing unparalleled value to your clients. 203conline.com/services